So it seems like a lot of companies are getting into the game when it comes to these 1911 style pistols. So what I want to do, guys, is unbox this one. This one's made by Tisas, USA. This is the 1911 Carry B9R. It's a double stack 1911. Welcome back to the channel, guys. My name is Preston, also known as Tactical Black Guy. I appreciate you guys joining me for another video. And again, we're going to go ahead and unbox this. I don't know how well you can see this, but I'm on their website now. The 1911 Carry B9R double stack pistol has an MSRP of $749. I picked this one up for roughly about $625. So the price is coming down on these. If you don't know anything about Tisas, this is a Turkish company, and I've said it before and I'll say it again. Turkey makes some of the best handguns out there, hands down. You look at Canik, you look at some of the other companies, they're doing very well. So it does come in a hard case. You've got a cleaning brush, a lock. You've got the gun itself. Let me just show you that this is in fact clear. There's nothing in the gun. You get two 17-round magazines. Now these are made by Tisas, but apparently these also fit in the staccato, which is the higher end, 1911 style pistols. Now, to start the show, here it is right here. Very nice looking handgun, and the price is right on these. If you look at a staccato, for instance, you're looking at $2,500, and like I said, I got this one for under $700 out the door. So that's what it looks like. I don't want to get too much into the specifications. The whole point of this video is just to show you what you get in the box. So that's pretty much it, guys. Stay tuned for the full review. I'll probably review this one within the next week. I'll try to get 250 to 500 rounds through this before I give you my opinion. Anyway, guys, thanks for joining me, and I'm out. Peace.